Hello everyone, Jen here, Golden State Times, and today we have a special video. This one, I bet you've seen it already, but today Hillary Clinton was in Cleveland and she started having one of her coughing attacks on stage while she was campaigning in Cleveland. And here I have a video of it. This one was streamed by us just to show. Hold on, give me 1 second.
Let's go to Cleveland. And I want to thank Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us. I've been talking so every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. Boy, we have 63 days to go. Well, thank you. Whoa. Well, you just heard the next vice president, didn't you? In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, let me also thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown. Also, excuse me. Also,
Alright guys, so if you can notice, she kept on having those cough attacks pretty much throughout the whole rally, around 40 minutes of it, and she can't even keep a cough drop in her mouth. I don't know if you noticed at the beginning, it fell straight out of her mouth and into the cup where she was drinking the water from. And they gave her another one and she kept on coughing and it came out, the second one, and now she's on her third cough drop that she can't even keep in her mouth. Now, there's been a lot of talk about Hillary's health. She is passing it off as conspiracy theories that are being brought up by the Republicans, by Trump, by Alex Jones, by whoever she can pin it on. But she cannot escape the fact that she truly is sick. Here, let me show you something real quick. Now, this is a parade. It's a LGBT parade that she was in, and she was going to walk with the people for at least a few blocks. She couldn't even make it one block where she just totally quit. She looks terrible. She looks pale, sick. She can't walk, let alone a block, and she has no energy, no stamina. If you see right here, this is provided by @Nia4_Trump, and it says, Hillary's health, no energy, no stamina, because, like I said, she can't make it. There is somebody over here that said that it says that Hillary is traveling with a portable blood coagulation analysis machine. This is basically what it looks like. And they're saying that this thing that this person has on her hand is one of these machines. It looks very similar, except this one has like a cover on it. but it really does look like a coagulating machine. And look at Hillary. She looks extremely sick. Extremely sick. Let me show you something else real quick. Okay, so this is a quote-unquote press conference that she had. Now, if you look at this picture, there's going to be a few things that you're going to notice that are just not right. Okay, so the first thing is that WMUR9, I tried looking that station up, and I can't really find it. The other thing too, if you see this guy right here that has a camera, it says press on his little tag thing right here, but it has no name. There's no name on it whatsoever. And there is no press like what you normally see at a press release, or when a candidate is talking to the press. You'll see, ABC, NBC, CBS, or MSNBC, CNN. Hell, even the Spanish ones like Telemundo or nothing. You don't see anything. You just see random people taking pictures of her, and one quote unquote reporter, and another one with a press badge that looks like he got it, off the internet or something. It's completely staged, but that's not the point. The point is that if you see Hillary, like I said, she's pale, looks like death, but look at her hands. You see her hands? This is the color of her skin. Her hands are like purple. They're not even swollen. They don't look swollen. Well, to me, they don't look swollen, but they're purple. You can totally see it on this hand right here. I can't really zoom it in much, but if you notice, this is the color of her skin right here. See how it goes? Her jacket is pink, then her hand, or her arm, and then her hands are purple. Look at both hands. She can try to hide it by putting on makeup and all this stuff, but she can't hide her hands. That's a dead giveaway when someone is really sick. Their hands get purple like this, especially someone at her age. She's 68 years old. She's going on 70. And when a person is that old, their hands are the first signs of when there's something wrong. And as you can tell, her hands are purple. They're literally purple. Now, the title of this one says, Hillary Clinton rarely seen, rarely heard. And it says, the Democrats let reporters trail her, but tucks them away and keeps them out of sight and herself out of reach. And I'm going to make a special video out of this article, but that will be coming later on. I just wanted to show you guys her hands that are all purple, and she's sick. There's a lot of other people on Twitter showing that there's different things, different clues coming out showing how sick Hillary Clinton is. And she is a sick person, but we're talking about her health catching up to all of the sick things that she's done in the past. But yeah, guys, I bet you guys have already seen the video of her hacking all over the place. But yeah, so like I said, she just keeps on coughing and coughing and coughing. And she just doesn't want to quit. She just doesn't want to quit. I think that she's the type of sick person that will go on until she's almost dead and can't walk and can't talk, and she'll still be in it. It's kind of sad to see, especially someone her age doing this ridiculous thing. She doesn't know when to quit. But it is what it is, and we're only 20 days away from the very first debate. So we will see what's going on, if she actually makes it, or if she goes missing for like an hour, just like she did against Bernie Sanders and O'Malley for one of the very first debates that happened at the primaries. But who knows what will happen, but we will find out here because we will stream it live, uninterrupted, just for you guys. So make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button if you're new. And like always, like this video, share this video, watch our previous videos, stay tuned for our future videos. Make sure you guys go and rate us on Facebook, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. All of the links are below. And also, if you would like to contribute, there's a link for that in the description. Or you can whitelist us on your ad blocker. So make sure you guys get the link from our main channel and put it on your ad blocker. That way, every single time that you guys log on to our channel, the ads will play, because we need that revenue to continue our coverage, to continue our streams, and any other special event or original content that we will do in the future. We got a lot of stuff in the works, but we need that revenue to make them happen. But yeah, guys, thank you very much. I hope to see you guys here next time. But until then, peace.